everyone! Today we're going to show you how to make no-cook Kool-Aid Play-Doh. For this you will need 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of canola or vegetable oil, 1 packet of Kool-Aid mix, 2 cups of flour, and 1 cup of salt. To start with, you're going to mix the water, oil, and drink mix into a medium-sized bowl. While you're doing this, you may also want to wear gloves, just in case, as the Kool-Aid mix can sometimes be hard to wash out if you get it on your hands. After you finish stirring them all together, you're going to want to stir the flour and salt together in a large bowl. After you've mixed it in well, then you're going to go and add in the water, oil, and Kool-Aid mix. And then you're going to keep stirring. Once the water starts getting absorbed by the flour and salt mixture, you're going to want to start using your hands to mix it. And then you're going to keep mixing until it's fully combined and smooth. When you finish, it'll look something like this. This Kool-Aid Play-Doh is great because it's non-toxic and smells like Kool-Aid. When you finish playing with it, you're going to want to store it in a Ziploc bag or a sealed container. And have fun!